there's not much to do when all I can.
Hi guys, welcome to another food vlog.
I'm going to make it. Let's start.
So I started with peeling of the plantain, cut them into two. At this juncture, the plantain was becoming ripe. Then I moved on to my ripe plantain, turned them into two also. Then I placed it on the fire, added water, added 2 eggs, and I added pepper. So after boiling, I proceeded to wash my bowl and started to grind it. Starting with the plantain, putting them one by one into it. Then I'll add oil, then I'll add ripe plantain to it, alternatively doing that. Still grinding them together. At this point, it wouldn't be that smooth. Dished it out from the earthenware bowl. Then I moved on to grinding the cooked pepper, added my onion, added some salt. I'll add the ground pepper, then I'll proceed to grinding it again to make it smooth. This time I wouldn't add any oil. I'll then dish it out into another bowl. This time I wouldn't add any granite paste to it because I want to store it for a very long time. Then I'll put it in the fridge.
Hi guys, so it's been a while now. I want to take the ether that I made out. This is it. So since I didn't put any granite paste into it, when boiling, I'll add my granite paste.
I dished some into the bowl to heat. This is how it becomes when you boil and add the granite paste.
You just add the granite paste of your choice. I really like granite, so I'll add a little more. Then you just munch on it. Thank you guys for watching my channel. See you in my next one. Bye.